South African opposition leader Mmusi Maimane has warned ZANU-PF that it will be the next to fall following last week's dethronement of the Botswana Democratic Party (BDP) party, which had been in power for 58 years. Zambia mashoko anobuda as an attack ichibva South Africa. Noti subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Timna mzimba nyura vachiti Maimane leads the Build One South Africa (BOSA). President-elect Duma Gideon Boko beat the incumbent President Masisi by a landslide to end BDP's hold on power in the diamond-rich southern African country. His triumph followed an impressive run by opposition parties in South Africa, where ruling African National Congress (ANC) was denied a majority across councils and parliament. In Zambia, opposition leader Hakainde Hichilema annihilated the incumbent Edgar Lungu. Maimane's comments come at a time Mozambique is up in flames, with protesters questioning authenticity of the results, declaring Revolutionary Party Frelimo ultimate winners of polls held a fortnight ago. ZANU-PF, on the other hand, has continued to survive, albeit through controversial means highlighted by human rights defenders, politicians, and civil society. Just pains, ZANU-PF is next. We know you wanted your best friend Masisi to win, but Botswana said no, said Maimane. Domach kwanobuda panapationa kuti aiwa kunyange nevakomana ma-opposition parties ekuti dzimwe nyika muSouthern Africa vari kachiti aiwa nyika yeZimbabwe ndimuri kutevera. Tozive mafungiro enyu muri kudiwa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Nakumwe section vedu, musama subscribe or like, and turn on the bell icon.